Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a character art of a woman in a Chinese dress by Sesatoya, high fantasy generator pack for MZ with more realistic looking generator parts by Uzuki Mame and Gotcha Gotcha Games, an MV plugin by Gima that temporarily disables events by wrapping them in 2 comments. This is purely for the developer to improve playtesting. An MV and MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunagawa that improves enemy AI in battles. An MZ plugin by Death Alice that gradually recovers HP, TP, and MP in time progress battles. An MZ plugin by Invictor that changes the text color of the selected choice. An MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunagawa that fixes a bug where sprites show up with a delay on transfer. And this is what the fix looks like. Gotcha Gotcha Games made a video about updating Effekseer for RPG Maker MZ and showcasing a significant performance boost on smartphones. A sprite pack of iconic horror characters by Crudy. A Tileset pack of climbing plants by Danaida. And lastly, Creepy Land Tileset pack by Shigekichi and Gotcha Gotcha Games. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.